everyone, and today I'm going to showcase my squishy collection, and let's begin. And actually my squishies are here in this bag full of squishies, and let me take them out. Okay, and the first squishy is this cute ice cream sundae squishy, and here's the tag over there. Very squishy. And those are the effects all around. Anyways, I bought this at Japan like for $7. Actually, it's supposed to be 600 yen in total. Next is my second squishy, this cute emoji bun. Anyways, I exchanged this with my friend. It's so very cute. These are the effects. Here it is. And next is this cute Eric Cream Puff. Actually, I searched it up on Google, and I found out that this was called an Eric Cream Puff, but I didn't know. Here is it. It's very squishy and cute, and I don't think that there are any new defects here in this squishy. And next is my third squishy, this cute panda bun, which is a girl. Here are the defects. It's very cute and scented. Very nice. And next is my cute sandwich squishy. Next is my big emoji bun squishy. Very big and very slimy. Let me take it out of the package first. It is. Wait, these are the only defects here. Over there. And here's the back. Well, there are some little minor defects there too. Just a little. And my next squishy is this cute girl, candy color purple or pink panda bun, which I also exchanged with my friend. Some over there just now I showed to you. Some of them also may be the ones that I exchanged with her. Very cute. Here's the back. Only the effects on the front there. And next is this cute yellow donut, powdered with some white sprinkles right over there. They're the defects. This is one of my oldest squishies ever. It's very cute. And next is my cute small mini hamburger squishy. No defects. Next is my cute bread toast squishy. This is falling off right now. Next is my cute small panda squishy, which is a boy and candy colors yellow. It's pretty dense, but still so cute. Very cute. Next is my green macaroni squishy. Very cute and nice too. Next is my favorite squishy, was already very badly affected as I squished it all the time. A bit stretchy too. Oops. Accidentally dropped, sorry. Very cute.